Hey, good afternoon. It's Bob, Trade Genius, 25th of October. I'm going to do a quick video today. I have a appointment I got to attend to, and it's about 20 minutes till the market closes. I'm going to start with cryptos. As I said yesterday, we're getting a sell signal, and we got it. And you could see that our signal saved people about $300 of anguish, and it also held on the 20. I mentioned this yesterday. This is support. This is support. This is support. And so we just have to wait and see when we get a turnaround in momentum, which we're expecting. We're expecting another push higher in Bitcoin into the November 16th, 18th fork. And then I think we'll see the movement in the other coins. So if you want this software, if you want to learn how to trade cryptos, if you want to join our trading room, go to tradegeniusacademy.com and select cryptos and let us help you make money. I think you'll find what we offer is extremely valuable in terms of learning how to trade these cryptos, what they're all about, and the trading room is awesome, and the signal works really, really well, and has a high profit factor, high profit percentage of wins versus losses, and then we'll even help you get that even higher in terms of some tips and tricks that we employ, to help you make better trades. So I encourage you to do so. On the future side, I'm still all about the natural gas, and going through this contract roll. They every time they try to beat it down, it's getting bought back, and what we're looking for here is next 6 weeks. At least through the next contract, I think you're going to see an incredible move higher in nat gas, and it's kind of holding pretty steady on this midline of the vol. Kind of a point of control here, nice hammer here, and they're trying to work through this contract where people are selling out the November contract going into the December contract, and my expectation is that we're going to see a move, up into this area here first, and then low volume area here once we get over point of control. So get some natural gas and hold it. We're definitely in the season for it to fly, and the weather in the east and the Midwest is going to be cold, and it's going to be below freezing all the way down to the Mexican border in Texas. So they're going to be burning some BTUs, and storage is below average right now, so I think it's going to be a tremendous opportunity for those, and you're getting it at a good price. So it's been staying pretty tight range, and it's going to be a great opportunity for you, just FYI. On the ETF side, equally great day, interesting day. Whenever you see UVXY do this with a wick like that, you gotta go for it short. And so we had 2 up days. I bought some UVXY puts for next Friday yesterday, and I doubled up today. And believe it or not, this trades in the green for today pretty quickly, and then for the blended trades down like 15 cents, which is nothing with UVXY. I expect this thing to curl all the way back down. You got to realize most of these traders that build these positions in, that bought protection, they're going to close out, and they're going to, as they get closer to the end of the week, they're going to close out some more. So unless there's something more macro in view here, then I think you'll see this thing collapse. And if not, these episodes typically last 2 weeks, and it'll be even a more tremendous opportunity to short vol. Even though vol is so incredibly wound up right now, when it goes, it may go from 18 to 40, okay? But once it comes down, you're going to get a trade from 40 back to 18 in a hurry. It's the way the math works. And so it's always good to take these shots when you can get them and make some money from it. And then the other thing that we're doing, which is pretty good here, is that we closed our nugget puts, so we made nice money on that. And I think that moves over. Gold is holding up. And then also on the where is it here right now is XBI. I think it's put in probably a bottom here too. So just sitting right on support here. So unless this becomes a bear flag and have it drop down again, I think here we have probably some short-term support. I'm still with a put spread on this, and it's kind of diagonal put spread, so I'm going to wait till Friday to see what it does. I would love for it to come back up to the 20 here and kiss it, and then roll back down to even bigger support that's down closer to 80. And then, looking at SPY, and probably what we don't know is because the contracts are all rolling with volatility and everything. I'm not sure really what's going on here, but here's another hammer back up to VWAP, and this might hold it again. We've been disappointed, so we can't say Brave New World until one of these Brave New World dip buys gets obliterated, and then we know we're going to go into something a little bit more serious. But in my view right now is that natural gas longs to play. I think they're going to keep pressure on the metals and miners, so I don't think there's going to be a play to the upside when the Treasury's doing this. They keep pushing it higher, and I think it's going to just keep pressure on the metals and miners until they realize that the Fed can't raise rates, or if they raise rates and they get a severe negative reaction, that they won't raise rates anymore. So that's kind of what we're looking at. And so anyway, that's the big stuff. Don't want to bore you with a whole lot of things flying around. I think this was a nice sell-off today. We'll have to see if it's more than contract roll kind of stuff, or if there's something behind the scenes here with China, or a vol, risk parity fund blowing up, or whatever, or because the pressure on the bonds are going to start causing an unraveling of the stock market. That's all still to be known. But anyway, you guys have a good one, and if you like what we do, just come join us, TradeGeniusAcademy.com. I think the next 3 months are going to be extremely volatile, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to trade it, at least the way we trade it, and get some swing trades. Thanks, have a good one. Bye-bye.